How to add music to Messenger Story from Android phone. Hi guys, welcome to Create Login and Delete, and let's get started. First, open up your Facebook application and log into your account if you haven't logged in yet. Once you're logged in, tap on Create Story right here, and now select the media from your gallery. Once you have selected the media, tap on the music icon located on your right hand side of the screen. You can then select the song that you want to add your story by searching for it in the search bar or by browsing through the different categories. Once you have selected the song, you can preview it by tapping on the play button. You can then adjust the duration of the song by dragging the sliders on either side of the song's waveform. When you're happy with the selections, tap on Done to add music to your story. You can then add text, stickers, and other effects to your story before sharing it with your friends on Messenger. That's it. You have now successfully added music to your Messenger story from your Android phone. So we hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.